Cap 26 here for tips, repairs, and hobbies. And I want to show you what I just designed. It's called the Perfect Pellet. And it has a flat top with a hollow point. It has a bearing surface, which is the most important part on the sides, for it to grab onto the rifling of your air gun, and a skirt that's ribbed. And I think this would be a great pellet to use for accuracy, for anything really, and because of that bearing surface on the sides. And hopefully they come out with this in the future. I don't know. I haven't seen one yet like it. Maybe Crossman or H&N or JSB will come out with this pellet in the future, and we'll see that so we could buy it. And that's what I want to show you today. So if you know anybody in the business that designs pellets, let them know about this design. Let them watch the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.